play the games you want, wherever you are, however you like. With the Nintendo Switch system, you can play on your TV or game on the go. It's your call. It's easy to share the fun. To play together, simply hand over one of your Joy-Con controllers. They come in a variety of colors that really pop. Family members and roommates can be added as users, so they can each set off on their own gaming journey. Plus, parental controls are available as needed, along with the Nintendo Switch Parental Controls mobile app. It's a truly versatile system, offering a handy touchscreen, numerous ways to play, and the ability to share your favorite gaming moments on your social media channels. But as we all know, a system is only as great as its games. Get cozy with the ones you love. Expand your horizons. And before long, you'll feel right at home. Now let's have some fun. Nintendo Switch. And if you're dedicated to handheld play, well, so is the sleek, lightweight Nintendo Switch Lite system.